A young adventurer, an old wizard, and a tiny dragon embark on a thrilling journey through a mystical forest. Their adventure begins when they discover a glowing portal, leading them to an enchanted valley filled with floating islands and magical creatures. However, danger looms as a shadowy figure watches them from afar.
As you know, many YouTube channels are making thousands of dollars just by creating AI videos. AI-generated videos are trending everywhere, and people are taking advantage of this new opportunity. The best part is that you don't need to show your face or use your real voice. Everything can be done using AI tools, and today I will show you exactly how to do it step by step. In this video, I will guide you through the entire process of creating a high-quality AI video with voiceover and how you can monetize it to earn thousands of dollars per month. This method is very easy and you don't need any special skills. All you have to do is follow my simple steps and start creating AI-generated videos. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. Now, let's start with the first step. The first thing we need to do is generate a video script or prompt using AI. The best tool for this is ChatGPT, which will help us create a professional script in just a few seconds. Go to ChatGPT and type a simple command to generate a video prompt. For example, if you want to make a cartoon AI video, you can type, "Make a cartoon animated HD story featuring a young boy with curly hair." Make sure all characters look good, cute, and professional. Maximum 6 prompts required. ChatGPT will generate a detailed story prompt for your video. If you don't like the result, you can edit the prompts or ask ChatGPT to make them more interesting. Once your prompts are ready, copy them and move to the next step. Now that we have our script, the next step is to create AI-generated images for the video. We will use Canva Dream Lab, a new feature in Canva that allows us to create AI images quickly and easily. Open Canva and go to Dream Lab. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9, as this is the best format for YouTube videos. Choose an image style that matches your video's theme. Paste the prompts one by one into Dream Lab and generate high-quality AI images. Each image will take a few seconds to generate. If you don't like a particular image, you can regenerate it or change the settings. Once you have generated all the images, download them to your computer and move on to the next step. Now it's time to turn our AI images into a video using Runway ML. This tool helps generate short video clips from AI images, making them look like real animated videos. Go to Runway ML and log in with your Gmail. Click on Generate Video. Upload the AI images you downloaded from Canva. Paste the related prompt for each image. Select video duration 5-10 seconds per clip. Click Generate and wait a few seconds. Runway ML will animate your images and create short video clips. Download each video one by one and save them for editing. Now that we have the video clips, we need to generate a professional AI voiceover to match the video. Go back to ChatGPT and ask it to summarize your script into a short narration. Copy the summary and open Runway ML again. Click on Generate Audio. Select a realistic AI voice that matches your video's tone. Paste the script and click Generate. Runway ML will process the text and create an amazing AI-generated voiceover. If the voice doesn't sound right, you can try different voice styles. Once you are happy with the audio, download the voice file and move to the next step. Now it's time to edit the video and combine all the elements. For this, we will use CapCut, an easy and free video editing tool. Open CapCut and create a new project. Import all your AI-generated video clips. Arrange the clips in the correct order according to the script. Import the AI voiceover and align it with the video clips. Add transitions, text, and effects to make the video more engaging.
Thrilling journey through a mystical forest. Their adventure begins when they discover a glowing portal, leading them to an enchanted valley filled with floating islands and magical creatures.
Once editing is complete, export the video in HD quality. Take your time while editing. Make sure everything looks smooth and professional. Many people ask how to upload videos with full SEO optimization so they can rank higher on YouTube and get more views. Go back to ChatGPT and ask it to generate a full SEO title, description, and hashtags for your video. Copy the SEO title and use it as your video's title. Copy the SEO optimized description and paste it into the description box. Copy the relevant hashtags and paste them in the tags section of YouTube. Using proper SEO keywords in your title and description helps your video reach a larger audience and increase views and earnings. Now, your AI-generated video is ready to be published. This entire process is very simple and anyone can do it. AI-generated content is the future, and now is the best time to take advantage of this trend. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.